Wait, it's how long until the MTC? The kids in my class don't know their tables. What am I going to do? What am I going to do? Never fear, Times Table Rockstars has got your back. And here are 3 things you can do to get your students MTC ready in a hurry. 1. Play as much Garage as possible. Garage is a single-player game mode that uses our super smart algorithm that adapts the questions that each student is asked based on their previous answers. It moves your students through the tables in a logical order. Get your students to play in this game mode as much as possible. Time is short, so the more they play, the better. And because it's not a test, give them a times table square to look up the answers. This will help them quickly consolidate the correct facts. Don't worry, Garage won't move them on to the next fact until they can recall it quickly, meaning they're no longer looking up the answer. 2. Communication with parents and carers. Time is short, so you need to harness every resource that you have. That includes parents and carers. Print out each student's heat map along with our MTC letter and send it home. The heat map will quickly show which facts need practice, and the parent letter explains the MTC and ways parents and carers can help at home. You can download heat maps by heading to Stats, select a class, then Fluency. You can click here to download heat maps for your whole class. The MTC parent letter is found in the MTC Hub under Resources and FAQs. 3. Play sound check games. Knowing the tables is one thing, but taking the test can be a different challenge. So get your students used to the MTC format by asking them to play in Soundcheck. Soundcheck is our MTC simulator. It asks questions in exactly the same way as the real thing, with 6 seconds per question and the same weighting of questions as the real thing. With enough time in this game mode, your students will become more comfortable with the test format, allowing them more headspace to focus on the recall of the facts. Doing these 3 things will help get your students ready for the MTC. Now, it's not magic, and it will need you to invest time in making it happen. But if you do, your students will rock and roll their way to great MTC results.